Okay guys, so today this is part 2 of the Rubik's Cube 3x3 solve, and we're going to be solving the first two layers today. So last time we did the first layer, this time I'm going to do the next one. Okay, now we're going to do the left hand algorithm, turn that side to the opposite thing, and then do the right hand algorithm and the side I was pointing to before gets there. Okay, so you turn the side opposite to where it's meant to be, left hand algorithm, right hand algorithm, and it ends up there. Same thing with this one here. And there you have it, there's 2 layers, and now I'm going to be showing you some different scenarios. Okay, there is the scenario where you have to do it the opposite way to get the side in. Right hand algorithm, then turn, then left hand algorithm. And this is left hand algorithm, turn, then right hand algorithm. This is also another scenario where 2 sides that you need are in wrong places, but you have no right sides on the top. What you do here is just do the same thing and get the right side that you need out, and then you get that side where it's meant to be. There we go, and do the same here. There we go. The 2 layers are done. Thank you for watching.